Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just shared these 6 files and this one on my Corel file share, or Corel Draw file share under Files. It's called Corners and More. I didn't know what to call it, but it is Corners, and these are More. I've already put one of them together. I've already made sure everything was scaled to object. We could make this thing a perfect square. You can make it a rectangle. They're almost all the same, except for these two are a little bit thickness, and this is just lines, but they are scaled to object. But I wasn't going to make a video on just that. I thought I'd show you how to put a name inside of a shape like that. So I'm going to use the Smart Fill tool. I'm going to fill that in. I'm going to nudge it. I've got my nudge fit too high. And once you start nudging, you don't want to ever move it. I can move this one because I'm not going to use it. And let me back up here a little bit because I filled that in. So I've got my shape, and my shape is 0.36. My text I want is 0.20 of an inch. So that's 0.16 difference. So let's make a duplicate of that shape and nudge it over. Oh, come on. And we're going to go to Effects and Contour. We're going to contour half of the 0.16, which would be 0.08. Now we have a shape. We're going to grab that. We're going to select it all and go to Object and break the contour part. We can actually get rid of this outside one. We can take a 2-point line and just kind of go right in here. Take our virtual segment delete key and delete everything else. Now we've got a shape of our contour, of our text of path we want. We're going to bring in Bobby. We're going to go, don't need that anymore. Go to text of path, put it on that path. Select it all, go up to Object, break text apart, get rid of that line, and now let's just nudge Bobby over. We'll nudge it over twice. So now he's in the center. It's a little bit not perfect because this is wider than the other part, but it did help you put it in the center, and it's on the text of path and kind of in the middle. And you could always make it bigger. If you would hold down the Shift key, it'll grow from the center. Of course, it's going to change the path a little bit. But that looks pretty good. So, and somebody sent me these files to share, so I'm sharing them, passing them forward. So use them as much as you want for whatever you want. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.